let us look at this problem. This is a two-sum problem. We have been given an array of integers nums, an integer target, written indices of the two numbers such that they add up to the target. So we are given an array of integers, which is nums, and a target which contains the target value. Basically, let's look at the first example. We can see that the nums array has a list of an array of numbers, and we have a target value, and our target value should be we should return the indices of the values in the array whose sum is equals to the target value. So let us first let me just explain to you what we are trying to do here. So let us see the example first. Let's copy the example. Come here, add a text here. So this is here basically our question and our expected output. So when we iterate through this, so we are here to figure out, we'll basically run through a loop which goes through, like, let's consider this as a pointer which loops through the array and figuring out, like, if 2, then we would also have another array, another pointer or another loop which we would be running. Point out that if 2 plus 7, we'll see, like, at ai, if this 2 equal to the target value, return this. If these two return the value, return this. Or if these two return, and here we can go through a loop. This is a very crude solution, but let's try to code it out. Like, for I is equal to for I equal to 0, I less than nums dot length I plus plus so our next loop should contain similar, but in this case our initial point would be I plus 1 and j as usual should be nums dot length and j plus plus. So we are going to be comparing these. And we'll check an if condition. If nums I equal nums I plus nums j equal target, we return the indices. Sorry, my bad here. We return the indices basically, so we return these. So this is supposed to be a very crude solution. We can probably downsize it and we'll get some much better result. Let's check if our solution runs and we get an output or not. Oh, I does not exist like that, so we'll run again. Oh, I'm so this is just syntax error. We'll try to rectify from it. Code feels good, but still if we have some syntax error we'll probably try to. So target, we get an empty index, so we do not want that. So let us look at the hint. So we have to return index. So how do we return index? This should be somewhere at the end, I feel, where the function returns. How do we return indices even? Return nums I. What does this do? Line 35. Okay, there's no line 35. Line 2, value expected, return type integer. Okay, I get you. There is no returning type to this, so we'll try this. So after this we return I comma j. If we find this, we return that. Let's see if we have test cases accepted, but I know when we try to basically submit this, it won't get accepted because this is a very brute force solution. Okay, we got accepted somehow. There should be a better way of actually doing this.